This video we're going to talking about how much YouTube paid me for 800 views. Why I'm going to do the analysis of this video is because I've been able to make the amount I will make if any of my video enters 1000 views. Yeah, I've been able to make that amount for 800 views. So now, what is the watch time for this video? 60.5 watch time. The subscriber is just 2. How viewers find this video: YouTube recommendation, other YouTube features, subscription feed, the funniest subscription feed is like 37. That means people that are subscribed, it was just like 37 views from them. The most traffic source, the highest, is YouTube recommendation. That's 646. YouTube was recommending the video to my subscribers and other people. Yeah. And the title is like my generic title: Days in the Life of a Nigerian Body Video Creator for a Day. So hungry I could eat a whale. But I know why this video is being pushed out and is getting momentum. At this point, it is just like 2 days, 1 day plus on YouTube, and it has gotten 800 views. It's because of my thumbnail. And the funniest thing is, I have the thumbnail for this video, but I decided not to post it because you know when you want to post a video and you are done posting before you like it public, the thumbnail part is going to pick like random part of your video and make it into thumbnail, and most times it's like four squares. You pick the one that you want or you upload a thumbnail for it. So I saw the thumbnail that was being shown to me by YouTube, and I saw that it was the part where I was carrying a baby. Yeah, I was carrying a baby and it was a small baby, and I was smiling. And I was like, let me leave this thumbnail because I already had my thumbnail. I said, let me leave it alone and see how this video will be received. Somehow the video is picking up more than it would on the norms. It is because of the thumbnail. People will think, oh, is she giving birth? Oh, is that a baby? Oh, something, something. Oh, is this like a news? Oh, is this like a guy? It is just my friend's baby. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue. The reach, we have 5.8 thousand impression. We have 11.4% impression click through rate. This is the highest I've seen so far. Like people are seeing the thumbnail and they are seeing the description, they are seeing the thumbnail, they are seeing the title, and they are clicking on it. 11.4. I'm not going to change that thumbnail. I'm not going to change it. I think I will show you guys the present thumbnail and the one that I already created for it. If you saw any of the two, tell me which one you are going to click on and watch. Like if you saw any of that thumbnail, tell me the one you will click on. That will make you click on. Me, I'll click on the one that was carrying the baby because I'll be like, this creator telling us that she has given birth or something, something. Imagine. And YouTube search them Black Arab, Ashwebi Diaries, Damilola Oni TV, and content suggesting this video. None of my video is suggesting the video, which is fine because I did not put it in end screen or info cards. There are other people's videos. And for engagement, we have 4 minutes 19 seconds. People were watching up to 4 minutes. Lovely. The audience, I'll go to the top geographical. Ooh, it's lovely. Nigeria, of course, because most of my subscribers are from Nigeria. Then UK, then United States. E like follows each other, which is nice. Now let's go to the revenue. The revenue is $3.44. $3.44. Imagine how much I was paid for the RPM. Before I created this video, it was $2 something something. Now it is $1.99, and with just 576. Mind you, the video is 840 something. Right now, with just 576 views, I've been able to make $1.15. So if this 1.99 rpm should be calculated with the amount of views I have now, it will be more than $1. Agreed? Agreed. Yeah. So I've been able to make $1.15. 15 cents, which is amazing. Amazing, amazing. Anyways, that's going to do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to get notified when next I post any new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.